Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren distributes CMHT scheme health cards to state journalists. Says efforts are on to provide benefits of CMHT cards outside Manipur. Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren distributes loans amounting to 258.90 lakh rupees under Manipur State Cooperative Bank Limited at 2,035 beneficiaries. Government teachers unhappy with pay scale. Agitating teachers warn intense agitations including mass resignation if their demands are not met at the earliest. Nurses of Jennings resolve to launch indefinite cease work strike from July 29th against government's failure to fulfill their memorandum of understanding. And Education Minister Thauchom Radheshyam kicks off East Zone Scenic School Sports and Cultural Festival Championship at Radheshyam Gallery Scenic School, Imphal. Hello, welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News and I'm Premi Thangtam, bringing you the top stories. Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren has stated that efforts are on to avail the benefits of Chief Minister Haksel Gitengbang CMHT scheme health card outside the state. The Chief Minister said that apart from getting benefits in empaneled and public hospitals in Manipur, CMHT card holders will also get benefits at renowned hospitals like Narayana Hospitals, global hospitals located at different parts of the country in near future. Speaking at the distribution of CMHT scheme health cards to journalists of the state in acknowledgement of their contributions at Manipur Press Club today, the Chief Minister assured of extending 5 lakh rupees for renovation of Manipur Press Club. Biren further assured of undertaking various measures for the welfare of journalists in the state, including increase in the number of IDs issued by the Department of Information and Public Relations DIPR in the wake of increasing journalists in the state, to look into land dispute for construction of a press colony for which the state government has already granted permission to All Manipur Working Journalists Union AMJU, and also to look into journalist pension scheme related memorandum submitted by AMJU. The Chief Minister also handed over an appointment letter for the post of an ASI in the State Home Department to the husband of late Thauchom Rabina, who was killed in a fake encounter incident on July 23rd of 2009.
Kana gumba ruba anaba sida layeng mangamdaba khotaba mapan chaningi khoning hai yam lai aigi miyam gi numit ki unnabada adagi hill singi leader singi unnabada lai khoi mapan chaningi sidai da dui facility leite khotena khoina aduna khoina ji mapan gi hospital kharada Narayan Hidalaya the hospital Bangalore gi Guwahati Kolkata Gurgaon aduga healthcare global hospital Bangalore adagi Ravi hospital Kolkata moina singbaji huje khoi ayamba contractor kana khoi government ge MOU ma sign tawnerani hairi bo hospital singa su khoi CMHT si pura salaga ada free da layeng ba yaba adugi port mai khoi kanna honari media singna handakti so role am lobire ai khoina CMHT hogdorpa sotharabu singi soinairabu singi matang government scheme hogdorpa sida media singa sumaina chalaga jaga da krai da leirige na tobira mina punna jointly work to minare.
Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren distributed a total loan amount of 258.90 lakh rupees of Manipur State Cooperative Bank Limited to 2,035 beneficiaries today. Manipur State Cooperative Bank Limited sanctioned the loan amount under its third credit linkage program with an aim to curb poverty. Speaking at the loan distribution event held at Chief Minister's bungalow, Chief Minister N. Biren stressed the need for banks and public to collaborate with each other to alleviate poverty from the society. A total loan amount of 148.90 lakh rupees was provided to 155 self-help groups of both hills and valley districts Total loan amount of 32 lakh rupees was provided to 16 individuals who applied for loans during one of the CM's People's Day, and 38 fish farmers were provided a total loan of 78 lakh rupees on the occasion. The Chief Minister reiterated that the vision of the present BJP-led state government is to eliminate poverty and to bring self-reliance in the state.
Hingnabagi struggle the masagi ijat kauthoga lairiba mayam madugi mafam pibani koina kanna aikoi ahan target koina honaraga lakibis kanasu sorok to phamaga pot yoning de kanasu dukan da maram sadana salesman oina natragana lambi sorok ta maram sadana leining de kari digi leirei no hingnabagi struggle the isa laik tamandaba yadaba ipuroiba thakdaba yadaba nupi thakdaba yadaba Chak pijadaba yadaba, school tamandaba yadaba. Adugumagi survival of the fittest. Aduna loan phangba wadra mina nungai na su sinkale ngasi de. Aduni ngasai akhoi MSCB ki managing director na hai gitu. Miyam gi numita lakpa awa ba mayam do loan piraga singaroi dra na kirambado ngasi di yam lai na phajana sinkala e. Aduna akhoi waningai leitre na mana hai gitu. Nungai na piradi moisu nungai na sinkala e.
Speaking further, Chief Minister N. Biren disclosed that visa facility for 45 countries, including the United States of America, will be available for the first time in Manipur among the Northeast states. Biren stated that Citizens Felicitation Center sanctioned in front of 2nd Manipur Rifles will be officially opened this August 5th to avail the visa facility. Mentioning that manufacturing of fish feeds has started in the state, the Chief Minister assured that fish feeds will be made available at a much lower price than the market rate. He also disclosed that Centre has started sanctioning funds for construction of a fish pit worth 2 crore rupees at Thanga under the Fishery Department as a part of the government's endeavour to make the state self-sustainable in fish production.
Now idea koi foreign chapagi visa lobasi aikoi a Calcutta da Delhi da salaga hello ramidana hujikti aikoi khaktagi nataba visa laibak nimfu ga mangagi aikoi sidai da Imphal da center oidorabani Citizen Felicitation Center second MR gate lady se masjid da laiba August ki tarik manga da aikoi inaugurate torogani ngagi machinjak mapandagi leiroi aduga raw materials mapandagi leiraga sungambado aikoi state sidagi leiraga mu sungjarane ba doidi farmer da su kanare ngagi machinjak su akoi state sidagi leirani aduna double benefit aikoi da leirane ba aduna high report khara se akoi mamang sahidagi akoi na tawraki ba target akoi na hona jaraki ba do madu thabuk oina haure hai ba do mayam da lakthoksabani.
Joint Teachers Forum, All Manipur Primary Teachers Association and Graduate Teachers Association carried out protest rally today condemning the Manipur Services Revised Pay ROP 2019 ordered by the state government on July 11th. Many teachers took part in a rally which flagged off from CC Higher Secondary School and back to the school. The agitating teachers warned of intense agitations, including mass resignation if the government failed to revoke the order. Various placards that read, "Revoke Teachers ROP 2019 immediately, Teachers are nation builders," etc. were used during the rally. Speaking to media, Secretary of All Manipur Primary Teachers Association H. Somorendro condemned the government for shattering their hopes of getting 7th central pay. He maintained that underpayment will harm the morale of the teachers.
Government ki ROP 2019 na yengiba maruina oza sing da yengiba mieng che mioi ba mana khang mangam da ba adu mage phiba mamba da thambire BJP ki manifesto yaugre BJP na ruling la adi akoi 7 pay employees da loina pi gane hai base wasa kare adu ngaktre kari manam gi da akoi ki state sida na ngam da no la ke na leiba state da 7 pay implement tawre yamna nemba employee masing yamna hantana leiba sida na kari manam gi da akoi 7 pay implement taw bangam dribno tabi da tara ga di akoi ki right che phangna ba ki dam ta akoi na wari ba fast and to that work pa yai suicide work pa yai akoi surrender tor pa yai makan lai gre mass resiliation koi pam da ba posak tu de koi inak ta gi adum laptop kani aduga akoi di sama se kalam gani akoi hanba lai ta na koi hona gini.
All Manipur government-aided school employees coordinating committee warned of intense agitation including banned and blockades if government failed to provide ROP 2010 6 pay to employees of 585 aided schools within July 25th and to recruit vacant posts. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, acting president of the committee, El Sundar criticized that government has failed to acknowledge the contributions of staffs of aided schools in both hills and valley. Sundar asserted that the committee had submitted a memorandum to the authorities concerned on July 15 to look into the prevailing situation. He further warned of intense agitation by July 27th if the demands are not met by July 25th.
लाइव तांग कुमंगा बोगी मनुंग दा यामना पॉजिटिव ओइबा रेस्पॉन्स अमा लौखलक्तबा तारगदी मथंगी थंगनबा नुमितगी एकोय खोंजंगसिंग मरुओइना एकोय मास रैली अदु मरी लेनबा लोसंगजिंग थिंजनबा अदुगा बन ब्लॉकेना चिंगबा यौसिंग असि एकोय सोइदना चंगसिनजरगनी मरमदुना सरकारना सुंचोय सोइदना हारिबा डेडलाइन सिगी मनुंगदा पॉजिटिव ओइबा सोल्यूशन दु पुरकपदुने एकोयना गायरिसे मदु हेक पुरक्तबा मतमदा एकोयना हाइजगिबा अल्टीमेटम दा पनगिबा थबक खुदिंग सुंचोय सोइदना एदे स्कूल की एम्प्लॉई खुदिंगना लौखचरगनी
One-day discussion meet on draft National Education Policy 2019 was held at Classic Hotel, North AOC today. The Directorate of University and Higher Education Manipur held the meet in collaboration with Intellectual Forum of Northeast IFNE, Education Minister Thauchom Radheshyam, Chairman of National Institute of Open Schooling NIOS, Professor C.B. Sharma, Director of University and Higher Education Manipur W. Malem Nganba, and many students attended the meet, stressing on the significance of education for leading a fulfilling life. Minister Thauchom Radheshyam reminded that parents are the first educators to a child. He called upon parents to be responsible and carry the duty efficiently. The Education Minister also stressed the need for a proper education policy for the state and urged all the stakeholders concerned to cooperate in the government's efforts in formulating a better policy.
Education means preparing a person to lead a meaningful life and letting others also lead a meaningful life. Just to prepare that, we require some policies. First, primary school is a family. The first learning happens in the family. So, as a parent, are we teaching, guiding, mentoring our children properly? Are we injecting our young minds to be curious, to be imaginative? You please introspect whatever you are teaching. Is it making the students curious? Are they becoming imaginative? Are we able to strengthen their willpower? Are we inculcating them to have deeper or analytical thinking?
Tinsukia Region Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan held its 8th annual Regional Principals Conference at Hotel Classic Grand in Chingmairong today. Speaking at the event, Director of Education S. T.H. Kiran Kumar, IAS loaded Kendriya Vidyalaya KV Sangathan and Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya JNV for their outstanding efforts in producing efficient students till date. Expressing disappointment at the performance of government schools in the state, the Education Director called for bringing a reform in the state education system with inputs from all the stakeholders. He also asked for suggestions from KV and JNV for the same.
Herein, I wanted all the practitioners, you are the practitioners, the principals, the teachers are actually the practitioners, where you feel certain changes can take place. It is right time for you to give inputs, either through your institute or you can also give to us. We can come consolidate. These are the inputs given by KVs, JNVs. These are the inputs given by so and so stakeholder. The timeline is on 31st, the last date of last of this month. Many states requesting Honorable Union HRD Minister to extend for 1 more year because there are so many inputs from various states so that they can consolidate it in a proper format and then give to ministry so that in the ministers conference they can approve.
Nurses of Jenims have resolved to launch indefinite cease work strike from July 29th against government's failure to fulfill the Memorandum of Understanding. Speaking to media at Jenims today, Joint Secretary of Trained Nurses Association of India, Jenims PH Janapriya stated that the MOU was signed in the presence of State Chief Secretary and Principal Secretary of Health and Family Welfare in February this year. The MOU included demand to enhance grade paid nursing allowance, uniform allowance, high-risk allowance and to provide pension scheme for the nurses who joined work before 2005. Expressing disappointment over lack of action from the government, Janapriya warned protest demonstrations on July 25, 26 and 27, followed by indefinite cease-work strike from July 29.
CM, the Principal Secretary Health, Medical Minister, Director Jenims, the reminder in a tag ultimatum Tajungeda. Hesitation, Amata Togdana, Koinga, Sibok, Moyo Una, the Nawari Sadana, Akoi demand since you fulfill and view high set. Koikayana Hidabani, Nurse, Belu less or Brana Traga important or the bra. Nurse Kaisigi, demand of the since a Karakadi, Jinia Nova, Tanya Koi Madam Sada, the demand of one day. Adubu Zibok the Pamanda was set. Sigi died the city authority in a Pugadavani, Mayamnas, how bigano, Waro bigano, Dandina, hesitation as is Javani.
Farmers of Kairao Bitra, Lairen Bilaikai Local and Lairen Part Local in Imphal East District are drawing water from the Iril River and other water sources to irrigate their paddy fields without any assistance from the government. Speaking to Impact News, the farmers expressed disappointment that they remained deprived of the water pumps distributed by the relevant department. They condemned the government for ignoring their plights in the tussle over leadership post. The distraught farmers further condemned the government for awaiting approval of the central government to declare drought in the state.
Ikang total is a center Ayavang Ibasi, Yaninte, Masi, Tavita Pay, Queen of Pajay City, Illinois, Singra, Onajava, Aduga, Singbangam Tabacam, when Ikang Toktan later.
Paliba Logi, Aqua Marina, Pamama, Wire, Senting, Pungal Pazahum, Toroga, Siblo, Panzaraponi, with Sakagi, Matembo, Pangde, other Pandi, Bazagazi, with Sakana, Katung beings, Viragadi, Pangani Kali, who's jammed over the low party, Taram, the Aquina Tona, Singapore, Paliba Sakazi, Aqua, Taza, Tandre, Aduna, Manaka, Pandale, Zagazaga, Nasana, Tok Piraga, Singaga, Honabiro, Aduna Tradi, Kunginong, Marankan, Sudabine Sakasi, Hogi Pamunabi type television, the Obeara Roy.
Zalomina, the Pasahumia, the Niaga, Amangam Nava, Fonazina, when it was Sakama, I got the Aquation look for him, which when we were low, which I would not get me. When Loxan, Pidin, Pani Loxan, although I am low located, we look for Mazona coming on it. I do a Pidu in it. I was smashing Tole, I got the low local, the Craddic Mato of Pidu.
From Bandagi, Sinking Salaga, Hornabaneba. Adu sigi sing sanbasu sarkar di mateng ang pujaw di Chaira naini sarkar na si yang takhandiyo na hanin.
Students of Takkel Blind School boycotted classes and staged a protest demonstration at the school campus today, demanding computers and adequate teachers in the school. Taking part in the protest held at the school students' union, one student, Manzoor Hussain, stated that a memorandum of demands has been already submitted to the state government and relevant authorities, but the authorities concerned failed to fulfill their demands till date.
When memorandum Tazaki the 20 among the computer class, Hobidaba 2016 the computer later class to Vidaba to 2011 the installed Okiba Braille Press 2000 employer 2015 the how create 2016 the lyric number how Rabani has a pope as an lyric matic and Pangan Vidaba, Pangiba Karasisu, mistake Weibo, Amoibo, the Gamet Handavats and Inava, Sumba talk positives we out and like Tamakpayam Nanuazidaba, Sumamayam Sigi, the 20 among the Massimiamze, Pangan Bio and Aquina over the Masigi, positive response Pang the Gaquina, Masigi class boycott Resito.
On that note, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news, an exclusive report on Zuko Valley. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break and you're watching Primetime English News. Zuko Valley, located at the Manipur-Nagaland border, was officially declared plastic-free zone by Youth Resources and Sports Government of Nagaland on World Environment Day 2019. Southern Angami Youth Organization SAYO played a major role in achieving the feat. An exclusive report in this regard.
endemic and beautiful Zuko lily is found only in the Zuko Valley, which is well known for its natural environment, seasonal flowers, flora and fauna, well hidden among the high mountain ranges on the Manipur-Nagaland border at an altitude of 2,452 meters above the sea level. Termed as paradise on the earth by poets, Zuko Valley attracts not only local but many national and international tourists who flock the lush green valley every year to witness the blooms of the rare pink color with slight shades of white Zuko lilies. It is indeed crucial to maintain the natural ecosystem of the valley, which is home to the endemic Zuko lily. Southern Angami Youth Organization has been taking major initiatives to preserve and maintain the valley in its best form. Efforts of the organization paid off when the Zuko Valley was officially announced as a plastic-free zone by Advisor of Youth Resources and Sports, Government of Nagaland, Zale Nikha, on World's Environment Day 2019. Endeavoring to make Zuko Valley a plastic-free zone, Southern Angami Youth Organization has been striving relentlessly to curb usage of plastic products in the valley since May this year. Members of Southern Angami Youth Organization checked tourists visiting Zuko Valley at Zuko Point, Vishrema in Kohima district of Nagaland to make sure they are not in possession of any plastic products which could pollute the valley. Tourists are allowed to take along essential plastic items with them on a payment of certain amount of money as a security deposit to be refunded hassle-free when they bring back their items as they exit the valley. In order for the upcoming generation to acknowledge the indigenous ways of their ancestors and stand tall in spirit and pride among their counterparts, isn't it high time for the inhabitants of Manipur to all come together and follow the initiative of Southern Angami Youth Organization to safeguard the Zuko Valley of the state? This is Joyce Shusham, Bureau Report, Impact News.
Fish farmers of the state who are participating in the fish farming training organized by Central Institute of Freshwater Aquaculture left Imphal today. HRB Philanthropy Foundation organized a trip for the first time under NABARD Manipur region for the farmers to participate in the training to be held at Regional Research Center, West Bengal till July 25th. Speaking to media at Imphal Airport today, Managing Director of HRB Philanthropy Foundation, Ngangom Binod Kumar, stated that 25 fish farmers from 10 Fish Farmers Club and 1 official were in the team.
Manipur gi Fish Farmer Club Tara dagi members kun manga amadi ekoi gi official staff amaga loina punna member kun taruk asina saruk yagadawni haiba program asi NABARD sponsor toba amasung HRB Philanthropy Foundation na sinjaba khongset amani maruina pandamdi machina ekoi gi Manipur da leiriba nga farm tawriba sinau sing sigi ahin knowledge kharatang oisu hingalaga pothok chi khitang hena pothokpa haibagi wakholon sida kun program sinjabani.
Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad Manipur State carried out a candlelight protest today at the western gate of Kangla against the suspicious death of a girl student of Standard Robert High School, Kanchipur, in the school hostel room. AVBP demanded proper investigation into the incident to book culprits involved in, if any. Proscribed Maoist Communist Party in a press release declared suspension of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School in Kanchipur for 1 week until the mystery behind the recent death of a girl student of the high school inside the school hostel room is solved. The proscribed outfit held the school authority responsible for the death. The outfit want to suspend the school permanently if guardians of the late student's roommates fail to disclose the truth behind the incident at the earliest. Yoganiti Society Manipur appealed to the state leaders to bring an end to the ongoing tussle over leadership posts and to work for the welfare of the people. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, Society President MC Binod lauded the present government for all its initiatives which the previous government failed to undertake. He maintained that such internal conflicts is absurd for the much popular government.
Labour government as a citizen from Topa Koilona Pangi, Aduga, Manipur government, Manu the pain the big Palawi, the machine, leader Shindoka, Shindoy, Mayam, Yenri Mamja, Lotion Matam Yore, Kuiman Gramayam, the language, Lotion Biro, some Noigi, Natabida, Praza, Kogi, Kanbio, Akoinakari, Kalanga the Gay, no Pado Kanbirakanda, descendant boy original, Natraga every Marilina boys, and Taurisiku Lotion Biro, Tangtaba solution and Popiro, Akoyo in the as a citizen, government is the pain the Bamata legend.
Imphal West Police arrested an individual in connection with the suspicious death of a woman at Lay-in Coal Cemetery under Lamphal Police Station yesterday. Speaking to media at the conference hall of Imphal West Police today, SP K. Meghachandra stated that upon receiving the news, top police officials including IG Zone 1 Clay Khongsai, DIZ Zone 1 Temting Ngashangva and himself inspected the crime scene around 11 a.m. yesterday. He asserted that the individual were arrested following the evidence collected from the scene. He maintained that the suspect is said to have been in a relationship with a deceased woman. The Imphal West SP also stated that police are working their best to solve the recent mysterious death of a girl student of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School inside a school hostel room. He urged the public for cooperation.
Team check Hajunga, Sport Cemetery area, Mayunga, Nupishina Leva, Zagasinga, Posumaito, Satana, Yamatiki, Masi, Punachina, Vakara, Masi, like I said, they are not like me with any investigations focused on Raga, Numidam Matan Saida, who lasted the take of Magam News of Sakaga, Aim Yagi, your Posaida, who very assumed company, who any Matokra, Hangaraga. Mumari Kerala, Lung system of Bahina, Potato, Lucida, the Papa Sassina, and in the Portobala, Lady, Totuchi, Tokini, Rada Sindai, appeal to me. Misha Paramatum, the Poji, Sisiamdana, Matokuna, Tawase, Tauraga Masi, postmortem, the Tindala, Parmadun evidence, when a low way about scientific and no Mayama evidence collect over the Mayamda, Indras with the Tokani, but the Masi cooperation, Piraga. Other in the Tijilaga Yamtuna, Charship Tonova, Madura Matin Pambu.
SP Bishnupur Hobson Sapam inaugurated new constructions at SP Bishnupur complex, including approach road to MT section, toilet complex, reserved line, recreation hall, and flagpole podium today. Speaking at the event, SP Hobson expressed happiness over the enhanced public police ties. Asserting that police are working with a sacrificial spirit for the welfare of people, SP Hobson urged the public for cooperation. Additional SP Operations, KSH Manihar, Additional SP Law and Order, Luikam Ranmio, SDPOs of Nambol, Bishnupur Moirang, OC of Bishnupur Police Station and many police officers attended the event.
Police system learning karang tunggu ni usia tunggu ni masam tunggu ni masam tunggu. Siapa kau nak develop apa sih? Ayo saya itu, ada baru bangsa itu develop apa sih? Kita ni kan ada apa? Hena apa buat apa kita buat? Katili tu juga, siapa? Apa
Former President of Kuki Students Organization, KSO, General Headquarter Onkolun Haukip and former President of Kuki Inpi Churachandpur District, Atong Haukip, along with 12 individuals, joined BJP today. President in charge of BJP Manipur Pradesh, Salam Joy, General Secretary and Nimbus and Organization Secretary Premananda Mitaik accorded a warm welcome to the new entrants at BJP office in Kanchipur. Children Cultural Center Manipur organized a cultural evening at Manipur Dramatic Union Hall today. Sangeet Natak Academy, New Delhi, in collaboration with State Art and Culture Department, organized the event on the occasion of Silver Jubilee celebrations of the Cultural Center. A tribal folklore-based theatre drama entitled Kuku Lang was showcased on the occasion. (182) Battalion BSF Koirengai, under the aegis of Sector Headquarter BSF Counter Insurgency Operation, Manipur, organized drawing, painting and debate competition at Bethel High School, Moirangpurel today. The competition was held as a series of events in celebration of Kargil Vijay Divas. Around 60 students from class 3 to 10 participated in the competition. Winners of the competitions were also felicitated during the event. Rotary Club of Imphal, in collaboration with Janam's Blood Bank and Transfusion Unit, organized one-day blood donation camp on the theme Donate Blood, Save Life today. Around 50 volunteers donated blood during the camp held at Rotary Multi-Service Center, Mantri Pukri. Zilla Additional Deputy Commissioner L. Radhakanta kicked off an exclusive two-day orientation program for school management committees at the Election Counting Hall of Thoubal DC complex today. Resource persons stressed on Beti Bachao, Beti Parao and community mobilization during the technical session of the training program, jointly organized by Samagra Shiksha Thoubal and District Administration Thoubal. After a wait of 12 long years, Scenic School Imphal hosted the East Zone Scenic School Sports and Cultural Festival Championship today. The championship kicked off at the Radheshyam Gallery, which was constructed under the funding of Education Minister Thauchom Radheshyam in the school campus. Education Minister T.H. Radheshyam, Wing Commander Shri Prakash J, School Principal H.C.S. Chauhan and many eminent persons attended the opening event. Student contingents of Scenic School Purulia, West Bengal, Scenic School Pulwama, Nagaland, Scenic School Golpara, Assam, Scenic School East Ing, Arunachal Pradesh and Scenic School Imphal took out march past on occasion. 332 students of 6 schools will take part in under 14 and under 17 boys football tournament, open category hockey, basketball and volleyball tournaments, co-curricular activities like debating competition in English and Hindi languages, quiz competitions and various other entertainment events during the championship. An alumnus of Scenic School Imphal, Education Minister T.H. Radheshyam encouraged the students to take active participation in co-curricular and sports activities apart from textbooks.
Honorable Chief Guest. Today, why I'm standing here, it is because of those beautiful moments which I spent in this school, and along with my friends, along with my teachers, along with my principals, people who guided me. And once you pass out from the school, you will come to realize how important was our days in the school. So my appeal, my request to all the young minds who are standing here, you all are wonderful people, we know, all the talents are with you. You are the future of the nation.
Before we end, let's take a look at headlines once again. Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren distributes CMHT scheme health cards to state journalists, says efforts are on to provide benefits of CMHT cards outside Manipur. Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren distributes loans amounting 258.90 lakh rupees under Manipur State Cooperative Bank Limited to 2,035 beneficiaries. Government teachers unhappy with pay scale. Agitating teachers warned intense agitations including mass resignation if their demands are not met at the earliest. Nurses of Janims resolved to launch indefinite cease-work strike from July 29 against government's failure to fulfill their memorandum of understanding. And Education Minister Thauchom Radheshyam kicks off East Zone Scenic School Sports and Cultural Festival Championship at Radheshyam Gallery Scenic School, Imphal.